Everyone, so today we are doing our superior walls for my garage, hint, my garage, the basement area. We're not going to go all the way around them, but about 3/4 of the way. And so I'm going to show you a little bit about how that's done, what the process is like. It's very cool. Stay tuned. Here's some pics of our lot when we bought it. It's almost an acre, and the little skid steer you see in the back is being operated by yours truly. So our lot recently had the tree shaved, as I call it, as you can see. And we had that little tree there taken down. So it's still being left so that the excavator can pull up the stump with all the roots. But that's the first step of our property. James is walking in my basement, my garage, where Kit and Bonnie are going to go. And I'm standing in what will be his office. And ultimately our bedroom too, because our bedroom will be up top. Here's Bonnie's first ever pull into her garage. Look, she's got a good fit, huh? A lot of extra space, and that's where Kit's gonna go. And if my husband's lucky, his bike Maggie can go there too. And then our friend Chris usually keeps his bike with us, so it may go there too. If they're good, they have to be good boys. But Bonnie's got a home. Not our job site, but always on the job. Oh yeah. Right now they're getting set up. The crane hasn't yet arrived. We'll be here soon. We might have to take down that little straggly branch right here and make sure the crane has room to bring the wall over. Here the two men are putting in metal stakes so that they can use a laser to ensure that every single stake and every part of this gravel is completely even and the same height. You will hear the beeping of the laser in the background.
appreciate that.
Now after measuring, they are going back and raking over the gravel to make it even in between the posts. Talk about a Zen garden experience. One more leveling technique they are using here, working together to again ensure that everything is completely flat and uniform in between each metal post. Okay, so our first wall is up, the first slab, and you see these little tabs sticking out. That is for laying brick for the mortar to give support to the brick. This wall, this ledge down here is also a brick ledge, and that wall, that ledge there, is where our upper garage will line up with and be supported by. These walls are held together by rather large bolts that get screwed in, as you can see being done here, and a caulking that is extremely adhesive. You do not want to get it on you. A bead of caulk is placed in between each wall, but here they are adding caulking to the outside and inside seams. Our office is going up, you guys. Look at that, we got a window. Oh, God, this is exciting. They're working on caulking. That is some serious caulk they use. It's a massively adhesive caulk that really holds these together and keeps them weatherproofed. No water will leak through these at all. Very waterproof. Caulking down the sides. One little bead, that's all it takes. Shot for reference. This is Bonnie parked in her garage, not pulled up clearly all the way, but I've been trying to do a picture with her in her garage, which means my garage, for reference. There he's pulling up. That's about where she'll sit. All right, so all the walls are up that we're having put in. We're going to be doing our own building of the wall for this back piece here. But here's the superior walls. You can see the insulation, styrofoam insulation. And then if you look up, you can see the hole up here. Can't point it very well. So they run those holes prefab for your electric and plumbing. So they're all along the bottom. I don't know if you can see all through there. And then this is a crawl space that's going to be under our dining room. So that's why that window's there. And that'll be James's office and mine a little bit too. And then above it will be our bedroom. So we're gonna be having, it's gonna be, you could almost consider it a 2.5-story house if you consider this full basement area with my garage. So it's coming along. I thank you guys for being here, and I'm going to do another video as we get some floors and framing up. So I will keep you guys updated on how our house is coming along. I'm very excited, and I really appreciate you guys being here today. Hope you enjoyed it. On that note, I'm gonna stay creative. Take a breath, take no shit.